Wow, rice!
As you can see,
Wait, it looks like bird food.
Bubble.
Hello, Tomodachis.
Hello, this is Makoto.
And this is Eric. I'm
Yes.
very sad I don't have my Iron Maiden shirt today.
Why?
It got destroyed in the wash.
It's just your fault, right?
It is completely my fault. I washed a piece of tape with my shirt.
The street fighter t-shirt.
Yes, but now you know what we're watching today.
Kay is cooking.
And today is not fried rice.
So we already watched how many times? 1, 2, 3 egg fried rice.
Yes,
probably.
and 1 pasta, right?
No. 3 egg fried rice, 1 pasta, 1 meatball.
Oh, the meatballs. But anyway, if you want to see more of this, give us a like and subscribe. And
Let's get on with Kay's cooking.
So I'm wondering how are feeling today.
yes, will it be bright and happy or will it be a little bit somber, Kay?
Last time she was not cheerful.
Yes.
Like, she was like sad.
A bit sad. But hopefully she's happier today.
Okay, let's watch.
Hi people, and I'm
Oh.
back again.
Middle.
Today, I'm
Maybe
going to
middle.
do an egg fried rice.
Egg fried rice.
As you see, the
Again,
water
yeah.
is- the heat
Always.
is on.
But
Oh, so much oil.
No. Did you see that?
The red,
Yeah.
not purple.
Why?
New camera?
Or the part by part is a different color?
Not sure, but still, a lot of oil again.
Okay, replay.
The heat is on.
So that was left.
Yes, not purple.
Interesting.
Mysterious.
She has a lot of colors, induction stove, and a lot of the Sesame Street knife.
Maybe she's just colorful, but always wear black.
It reminds me, yeah, her Sesame Street knife. First of all, purple.
And then became red.
Yeah, right? Oh my. Okay, let's watch.
And I'm going to
Orange. Onion. Onion.
the onions, or as people
No,
know me to say them,
but-
the onions in the wok. And
Why
I'm
she's
going
really
to
laughing?
let them get browned before
Okay,
I
okay.
add the rice, which I put down somewhere.
Oh.
You can see the onions.
Onion, she said again, repeat. Wow, no rice!
6 ounces of that.
Oh my, again, raw rice. She didn't learn anything. Raw rice again.
Gonna be crunchy.
Gonna be crunchy, must be crunchy. So your son will be cry again.
My ancestors are crying.
So the rice is a bit crunchy. Right,
Just a
right?
bit.
Just a bit crunchy.
crunchy.
But normally people is just the crunchy.
Oh.
Okay. So next is must be cockroach,
Oh no.
like a
Burnt
black,
garlic.
like cremated garlic.
Let's see.
Rice, but stuff it, I put 7 in.
Whoa!
I don't know if you can see, but I
だって
put
さ、もう
some
ライスがさ、
here.
そのままでさ、
And what I'm going to do is, I'm
No,
going to
no,
put
no, no, not the egg.
エッグそのまま入れるの。エッグ into the wok.
Put them into a bowl, beat them up. Beat them up.
あー、黒くなってきた。お、ブラックブラックブラック。
Put
あ、
them
リト
into
ビッ
this
グブラック。
rice. And hopefully let it all cook together. That
あー、入った、エッグ入っ
Put
た。
some in, put some in bit by bit.
いや、どんだけ卵入れんの？
Then
うわー。
How many eggs is this?
2 or 3 or 4? うわー。
it's all
Mataya.
good.
Again, omelette fried rice.
But with raw rice this
Yes,
time.
low rice this one. This is the worst. It's a
Alright.
alright. No,
All I can do
alright.
about
This is
now
not
is just
alright.
Keep stirring it.
Okay.
I can feel, actually, I believe it or not, I know you're not going to say I can't, but I can actually feel the rice
This is
starting to
not
get a lot
scramble, I
softer.
The rice is getting softer, she said.
There's still some bits that are a bit harder than normal.
No,
There's
no.
still bits that are harder, but
これはもうマジで again おかゆ fried rice.
But she didn't add water.
Yeah, only egg.
It should taste.
So must be kapi kapi, right?
But 水分絶対た
Whoa!
As you can see,
Wait, what happened? What happened? What happened?
Wow! Something happened.
Water? She put water?
Maybe water.
Right, as you can see, it's cooking.
But why is it this color? Where is the egg?
これあれじゃないの。エッグのさ、黄身と白身分けたんじゃない？ Separate.
でこれ白身
So yeah, egg.
No!
Yolk first.
No!
Then 白身 into the bowl. うわー、これ白身入れたんじゃないの？
Let's see the texture.
cooking, it's not getting any softer.
うわー、すげ
Well, it is in places, but not in others.
ー。What?
So,
どうなってんの
this
これ
did say
It looks like
on
bird
the
food.
egg that
Bubble.
you're supposed to
So much
leave
bubbles.
it next
や
day.
べえ。
The next day. Well, I'm not going to mess about like
え、なんで
that.
こんなにバブル出るの？
So, all I'm
いや
going to do
絶対
is
水分とか入
I'm
れたでしょ
just going to end
何
the
か
cooking bit
これだから
here.
白身入れ
As
た
you
の？
can hear, listen.
How many? この量や
It's
ば
not
く
soft
ない
at all. It's not really soft at all.
えー。
I mean, the oil has come through to the top. I don't know why, but
I don't know why じゃねえよ。Why you
I
gonna
mean,
say
probably
why? I
because I'm
don't know
constantly
why.
turning it or something like that. The only thing I can think is if it's any
Whoa.
different
Like 雑炊。
while I'm doing the
But
editing
worse.
bit, then
The after hot
well,
pot.
I
Hot
can't think of
pot.
anything else to do.
The rice into the hot pot.
Well, I'm
hold
saying
on.
that there were no
Finish
taste
it already.
test or anything.
Ah,
product
test
or
the
anything.
test the
But
child
Like
abuse.
I see, it's still cooking now.
It's
It's not
still
getting
cooking.
soft.
Already.
Soft
So it's
enough.
not who's cooking now?
And then
Son's
we
cooking.
do it to 45
So son
minutes.
will cook it instead
So,
of her.
yes, I know it's a
Oh, really?
letdown, but so well, obviously, there's no good saying if you like what you see because you're not.
So someone
gonna
has to
like that,
call
yeah. But if you want to
child
leave a
service
link, there's going to be a link in description
to
to our
arrest her.
Case Cooking
But-
Facebook page.
Today she said うまくできてないって she
I know,
said
I know.
But that means
Always.
she knows. But she said this time is
Well, always, not this time, not only this time, but also always.
I cannot.
Okay.
Bless her heart.
And a lot of people have been going to the old one. It's not official. This is the official one. Is what you've seen me on, not what I've been on. The Case Good Cooking is not mine.
No.
So if you
Mine.
like what you see, please keep viewing me. If you want to give me a big old thumbs up, please do. If you want to leave me a comment, please feel free.
本当だ、誰も no try to taste. Oh my, again. You have to try by yourself.
She doesn't want to try by herself.
Because no
Thank you.
sound today. No sound today, probably.
Oh, finished.
Already finished. Oh my. No sounds come up today. This is so we already watched 4 egg fried rice by Case cooking.
I don't know how long.
So can you learn? So probably the worst one was the Uncle Roger
The
reactor.
garlic.
And the second one probably this one, I think.
I think maybe the one that would be easiest to eat is the omelet rice one. The one before this one.
Yeah, the last time we react probably the third, and the fourth. Yeah, no, the second. The first, maybe the second we watch. The better than the last time we thumbnailed, right? That was the best one, I think.
Oh, I don't want to eat any of them.
I think so.
Oof. Anyway, if you want to see more of our reactions, feel free to give us a like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.
Always this feeling after watching Case cooking.
Alright, see you later. Bye bye.
What is this?
Bird food. But I would feel bad to give